Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're putting headers from the drag truck onto the GMC. And if you're asking why we're robbing parts with the drag trucks, because I'm tired of messing with it. We need a wiring harness for the rear, and I'm just tired of messing with it, honestly. It's just, I keep finding more and more shit wrong with it. It needs new front suspension, just all kinds of BS in the wiring. So we're taking the headers off, the coil packs, spark plug wires, and the old cash can. We're putting it on this tonight. So the GMC is getting a little love.
This is the Adderall that only got 335,000 miles on the dash. Only got 300,000 miles on the dash, and we're just now putting headers on.
We're just now doing stuff to it. At 11 at night. I didn't even take this off. I just put my socket on there and I was like, it's already loose. Broke.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a couple broke on that side. We're just gonna have to weld a nut to it, take it out. It is what it is.
Part of headers. That's part of swapping headers.
Hood stack. Turbo hood stack.
Hood stack Sierra.
I tell you, I've been hurt before. With a pain over here, I don't know. I remember being broke, I stole. Now I got everything that I wanted, but it's not the money, cars, and clothes. I'm just trying to do it for the fam. And the bro posted up at Stoves when they had a film.
What's going on?
All right, boys. First stock manifold out. Oh, come on. Look at that. Stop. Heavy. Lightweight, baby. Hopefully gaining horsepower too, you know what I mean? But got the first header out, working on the second one. We're cleaning up this valve cover and kind of the engine bay. Well, I am at least kind of cleaning up before we put the new parts on. But we'll see you when we get everything installed. All right, guys, we are finishing up. Got the old cash can in. The new brackets with the new style coil packs. Headers are installed, kind of cleaned it up. There's a couple bolts we weren't able to install. There's one over here and one on that side. But other than that, everything was pretty smooth. We're about almost done with that full exhaust from the drag truck. And yeah, about to turn it on. Roll it back, turn it on, see what it sounds like.
Yeah, buddy. Yep, we got headers in. Got the headers in. I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but they're down in there. Down in there, and then I've been working on everything underneath. Everything underneath. Got all that in over there. Got the Y pipe in. And I'm about to connect her up, and then we'll get her started, boy.
Do that O2 sensor though.
Yeah, we gotta.
There's one that's not plugged up. It'll run fine, but we'll have to get it deleted from a tuner just to get that code away. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yep. We're short a hole for the O2 sensors, but I think it'll be all right.
It will definitely. Yeah. Does this look good too? We still gotta do the wires. And
Looks like shit.
All cleaned up. The wires is gonna make it look even better. The red ones.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I'm excited to see how much shit gets in this oil catch can.
Yeah, I know. We ain't ever used the oil catch can on anything, and obviously if y'all seen his video, Julian's videos, he put it on the drag truck, but
Don't even run.
So we're gonna make some use out of it this time.
Yeah, I know it. Dude, you're gonna be like checking it like every other week. Probably every week, and you're like, damn, I'm
gonna pour it back into my motor. We're gonna get everything done, and then we'll get back with y'all, and we'll start it for y'all. So, any last words?
Let's get her done. We're done. We're gonna let it roll back. Hey, let me reset. So we gotta double check everything, make sure it's good. It looks really good. Make sure these are snuggled up. All right. Looks good, Momo. You have all the clamps down there tightened though?
They're all undone.
Man, look how dirty you are.
I know. Okay.
All right.
Damn, dude, you fart?
No.
Yeah, you did.
No, I did. Let's roll it back and.
Yeah, you did.
Bro, don't blame it on me. My farts are loud, bro. You know that. I know this might be like a short video, but hope it's a good one because we did a lot to this GMC. I'm dirty. All right, go ahead and start it up. Sounds way cleaner. Get my flashlight. They're gonna steam for a little bit, and then kind of after a while, after it's drying, kind of tighten it up. You know what I mean? Oh, catch can, intake. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we did this intake. I got it for him for Christmas, but it didn't do anything. Same as stock. Leak. Probably. Leaks a little better, kinda.
It ain't too bad. I think it's going to in that middle spot because it's not.
Yeah. It sounds so much cleaner though, don't it? Yeah. Hell yeah. All right, guys. I think we're gonna go drive it real quick. I'm gonna pick up one of my other trucks so we can. Oh yeah, I have a shop, guys. I haven't really revealed it yet. It's gonna have to be another video, but yeah, guys, excited about that because we gotta upgrade it and do some stuff to it, make it look better. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna get y'all some sound clips and probably road clips out in a parking lot where it's empty, not by everybody else. But yeah, get you the first reactions to the long tube headers. Sounds way cleaner though.
Why is it cold?
Because we got headers on. We want the full potential of that power. So good, dude. That almost sounds better than OG Silverado.
I don't know. It sounds good. Do you want to go to Isaiah's now?
Yeah. Do we have the jack in the back?
Sounds good, dude.
We gotta have an echo over here though. That sounds so cleaner. Sound pretty good, dude. Probably the best it's ever ran, sounded, looked.
I don't know about
And the
exhaust wise.
Yeah, exhaust wise looked.
There's been more cleaner times about it. We're down in second since we ain't got first.
It is super cold though.
It is cold as crap outside here.
They'll do something. Sounds damn good though. Is that full throttle?
No, I mean, yeah, but it has that. Like you have to fucking stomp on it for it to go anywhere.
Yeah. But see what she sounds like. Oh, it's rumbling good, son. All right. Go listen, bro.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit. What'd you rev it up to?
I fucking let it hit the banger.
Ready?
Sounds so much better, dude.
Give us some little revs. That sounds way better than my truck. My black truck, yeah. Now you gotta let them hear that burble tune on it. Okay.
Check engine light.
But if I ain't used to it, you know what I mean?
I bet it's that fucking O2 sensor.
That, and I bet it's just not used to it. Like full wide open throttle with the headers. Does it sound different to you?
Yeah, we'll turn it off when we get to Isaiah's.
Good. Alright, that'll probably be it for this video. I know y'all can't see me, can't see much right now, it's dark, but yeah, like and subscribe, comment down below what you think, what the exhaust sounds like, because I know y'all, a lot of y'all hated on it, what it was before.
For real.
Like, it wasn't bad, but I could see why y'all hated on it, but it's sounding better now, a whole lot better. Got headers, wide pipe, muffler, bullet, sounds good. So, see ya.